Hey guys, it is Monday and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. Sunday we actually had a Pokemon Go event that we went and played with my boyfriend and his sisters. So we went out and got some Jersey Mike's, which is a sandwich place. So it is currently Monday and we are having breakfast because I totally forgot to take something out to eat. We're supposed to have burger bowls on Sunday. We were going to have it today, and I totally forgot when I was walking out the door. But we are having some sausage patties, some eggs, and some homemade hash browns that Jared makes, and it's super delicious. So this is our simple dinner, and we'll see you guys Tuesday. So it is Tuesday, and we are having what I call the burger bowl, but it's not in a burger. You've seen this recipe a ton of times. It is a burger with no bun. So we have burger, we have mushrooms, cheese, spinach, bacon, and then we have a fried egg just to add some crunch to that also and creaminess. And the burger is actually a bacon burger. They are pre-made already from Walmart. And then I have some mayo and ketchup on the side that I'm going to use as a dipping sauce. So this is what we're going to have, some burger bowls. They look really, really good. They're tasty and they're super easy to cook and assemble. And we will see you guys Wednesday. Hey guys, it is actually Wednesday, and if you can hear rain outside, that is the maintenance people actually power washing our apartment really late at night. Don't know why. But we are having sticky Chinese pork belly with rice, and we did have zucchini, but I forgot to film that because I literally ate all my zucchini when I remembered I needed to film it. But this is a tried and true recipe, and we absolutely love it. A lot of people wanted me to film me cooking or share the recipe, so here's the recipe. So it is sticky Chinese pork belly. Here is the ingredients. You do not have to do the slow cooker. If you have a pressure cooker, you can do that. If you have a Dutch oven, you can use that also. Here's some instructions. So if you want to pause this video and screenshot it, you can. And let me get the other piece of paper out for you guys. And here is the rest of the instructions. So you guys, yes, very, very simple recipe. If you want to pause the video and screenshot that recipe, you can. It is also in my Pinterest. Just to let you know, my link is down below if you want to go and follow me. And it should be in my either tried and true album or my regular food album. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. And this is what we're having for dinner. Super yummy. And this red stuff is just hot sauce that I just poured over it just to get some liquid in it. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, you guys, so today is Thursday, and what we are having for dinner is some roasted zucchini. I had some jalapenos that were going bad, so I needed to cook those. So I made some jalapeno poppers with cream cheese and bacon and paprika on top. Usually I add some shredded cheese, but I just didn't today. And then we are having the tried and true Loretta chicken that has a smear of mayonnaise and then breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese with oregano, paprika, and salt and pepper. This is a tried and true recipe. It is in my Pinterest, as I have mentioned before, and the link will be down below. So yeah, this is what we are having for dinner, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it is Friday, and Friday means I have to go to work from 7 p to 7 a. So it's currently 5 o'clock, and I am actually getting ready for work. But I wanted to film what I was going to eat. Of course, it is leftovers. We have the chicken Loretta, and then we have some roasted zucchini. And I'm going to eat this. Hopefully I won't be hungry those 12 hours I'm going to be at work. But who knows, if not, then I have fruit and whatnot to keep me full throughout the night. So this is Friday's dinner, and we will hopefully see you guys Saturday. Hey guys, so it is Saturday and we are having something super simple because I literally just woke up and I have to be at work at 7 as always, but we are having some bagel with blackberry cream cheese, so that looks really good. And then I have some grapes. Super simple. I really wasn't that hungry because I had a sandwich for lunch and that was really fulfilling. So this is our Saturday night dinner, and we're just going to go over the meal plan for the week from last week. The burger bowls, they were good, but we're kind of over getting the already pre-made burgers from Walmart, and it just did not really taste good, so we are not going to be doing that kind of burger bowls anymore. Pork belly with broccoli. We didn't do the pot stickers, but we did the pork belly and it was super good. As always, had it over with some rice. It's always a tried and true. Chicken Loretta, absolutely love chicken Loretta. We had the roasted zucchini. Absolutely, I would recommend you try that for sure. Breakfast, we did not have any hash browns or sausage, but we had some eggs and, you know, the usual eggs, bacon. Friday, we did not have the buffalo chicken wings, but we had the leftover chicken Loretta. And then Saturday, as you can see, we are having the blueberry bagels. So, I hope y'all enjoy these videos. Let me know down below if you are going to try any of these recipes. And let me know if y'all are a new subscriber. Hello, my name is Shirley. I do a bunch of stuff. Grocery hauls, what's for dinners, budgeting, sinking funds, anything and everything. So, hi, let's get to know each other. And I hope you are having a great week. See y'all later. Bye.